vast world of nature, there are animals that don't just survive. They rule the waters with incredible agility, intelligence, and strength. From the dense Amazon rainforest to the crashing waves along Alaska's coasts and the calm lakes of Europe, the otter emerges as a throne, less warrior, playful quick, yet remarkably resilient. Otters aren't just adorable. Their intelligence will surprise you. They are living proof of nature's incredible power to adapt. Let's dive into the fascinating world and survival secrets of this true water warrior. In mountain streams that babble over rocks, rushing rivers, and icy oceans, otters glide silently with the confidence of true masters of their domain. Their long, flexible bodies and powerful tails allow them to weave gracefully through rocky channels and thick kelp forests. Webbed feet turn them into living arrows, shooting through the water with speed and precision that leaves prey with little chance of escape. Though smaller than many other predators, otters are equipped with a remarkable natural armor, an incredibly dense coat with over 1 million hairs per square centimeter. This fur traps a layer of insulating air close to their bodies, keeping them warm even in freezing waters. Ironically, this precious coat once made otters a prime target for hunters, driving many populations to dangerously low numbers. Otters are master hunters, relying on a mix of intelligent sensitivity and strength to dominate their environment. They possess an extraordinary sixth sense. Their long, sensitive whiskers act like a biological radar, detecting the slightest vibrations and movements in murky water. Thanks to their large lungs and ability to slow their heart rate, otters can hold their breath for 6 to 8 minutes and dive deeper than 20 meters. With lightning-fast reflexes, a single strike is enough for them to snatch fish crabs, shrimp, and even waterfowl. Armed with razor-sharp teeth and unmatched agility, otters truly are phantoms of the aquatic world. Behind their playful appearance, otters are deeply affectionate and highly social animals. In the harshness of the wild, they build warm, close-knit families where every member plays a vital role in the group's survival. Otter pups are born blind and unable to swim, relying entirely on their mother's care. The mother not only nurtures and protects them, but also patiently teaches essential survival skills like swimming, diving, and hunting. In some species, males help defend territory and assist in caring for the young, significantly improving the entire group's chances of survival. Otters are also famous for their spirited nature and love of play. They slide down snowy banks, roll around on sandy shores, and chase each other through the water. What might look like simple fun is actually a way to sharpen hunting skills and strengthen social bonds. Sea otters in particular are known for forming massive rafts of hundreds of individuals, resting and grooming together, a remarkable display of unity in the animal kingdom. This strong family connection and cooperative spirit act as a shield helping otters overcome countless dangers in their challenging environments. Though otters are top-tier hunters, they aren't always the strongest animals in their environment. In their world, crocodiles, jaguars, giant snakes, and even humans are constant threats. Yet instead of fleeing, otters often band together, forming defensive circles and fiercely fighting back to protect one another. This unity has saved them countless times from the jaws of predators, making otters a powerful symbol of courage in the animal kingdom. Otters are more than just adorable creatures. They play a critical role in maintaining the health and stability of their ecosystems. Their presence is considered a key ecological indicator, signaling clean water and balanced habitats. Positioned high in the food chain, otters help regulate populations of fish crabs and mollusks, preventing imbalances that could harm aquatic environments. Sea otters in particular are vital to the preservation of kelp forests. By preying on sea urchins, they stop these voracious grazers from destroying the kelp beds that serve as essential habitats for countless marine species. Because of these roles, otters are an irreplaceable link in aquatic ecosystems, contributing to biodiversity and protecting natural environments that humans also depend on. Remarkably, otters are among the few mammals capable of using tools. Sea otters are known to carry their favorite rocks to crack open shellfish and crustaceans. They also have excellent memories, often storing food and building cozy dens from branches and leaves. With their quick learning ability, curiosity, and playful energy, otters stand out as some of the most intelligent and captivating mammals in the natural world. Though strong and agile, otters face serious threats caused by human activity. Water pollution, oil spills, and plastic waste have severely damaged their sensitive habitats. Deforestation and overfishing have further depleted their food sources, pushing otters into increasingly difficult conditions. Historically, they were hunted relentlessly for their luxurious fur, driving many species, especially sea otters, to the brink of extinction. Fortunately, thanks to ongoing conservation efforts, some otter populations have begun to recover. Nature reserves have been established, and public awareness campaigns have turned otters into a powerful symbol of water conservation, reminding us of the importance of the ecosystems we all share. Across many cultures, otters are seen as symbols of intelligence, cleverness, and adaptability, serving as a reminder of humanity's connection with nature. In particular, Native American tribes regard otters as representations of harmony and community, emphasizing the value of social bonds. From these remarkable creatures, we can learn that flexibility and adaptability are keys to survival in a constantly changing world. That family and community are the strongest shields against danger. And most importantly, that protecting nature is ultimately protecting our own future. Watching otters playfully glide through the water, it's hard to imagine that behind their adorable appearance lies a story millions of years in the making. They are the silent warriors of aquatic ecosystems, maintaining nature's balance and standing as living proof of the incredible power of adaptation. Protecting otters isn't just about saving a cute animal. It's about safeguarding the purity of our waters, preserving biodiversity, and protecting the future of humanity itself. Let the image of an otter calmly floating on the surface remind us that every creature, no matter how small, is an irreplaceable part of nature's masterpiece. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support motivates us to keep exploring and sharing untold stories from the natural world. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next adventure.